This video tutorial will show you how to create a maintenance work order from the Parkmerced resident portal. As Parkmerced moves to an online-only work order ticket system, this tutorial will empower you to have your maintenance requests streamlined for dispatch and resolution. From your web browser, type in parkmerced.securecafe.com/resident services /parkmerced/user login.aspx. When clicking enter, you will be directed to the main Parkmerced resident portal page. From here, you can type in your email and then your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on this icon. And if you haven't signed up for the resident portal yet, you can click here to register. Once you have entered your email and password, click sign in. Once you click sign in, you will be directed to your individual resident portal. From here, you will see the maintenance icon located in the middle portion of the screen. Click on that icon. Clicking on that icon will direct you to the maintenance request main page. From here, you were able to select the priority of your maintenance request from a drop-down menu. You were also able to select the category from another drop-down menu. You were then able to select a subcategory and write a full description of your maintenance request in this field. When describing your maintenance request, please be as detailed and thorough as possible to streamline the process. Also, if you have any access instructions, type them in here. If the maintenance technician has permission to enter your home when you are not there, click yes. If they do not, click no. If you have any supporting documents like pictures of your particular maintenance requests, you can click Choose File and upload them here. Once you have a detailed description of your maintenance requests and fill out all of these required fields, click Submit. Clicking Submit will fast-track your maintenance request to a maintenance technician. If you have any questions, please reach out to Resident Services. Thank you.